Je m'appelle Dominique Crabbe, je travaille dans l'équipe du centre de sélection de Rouen en Picardie. À cet égard, nous menons des essais de recherche variétale dans la moitié nord de la France. J'étais aussi en charge de la mise en place de la Puma 3, une nouvelle arracheuse high-tech développée conjointement avec Grimm.
I'm Romain Volpoet. I've been working for KWS for 5 years as sales manager for Sugar Beet Seeds. Since July 2019, I'm working 50% as aerial sales manager and 50% as producer manager for organic crops. For the organic part, my job is to make a report about everything about French organic market to my manager in Einbeck, and of course to be support about organic technical information for our 3 business units: sugar beet, corn and cereals.
My name is Olivier Ramoneda. I'm in charge of Conviso Smart production in France. My main activity is to advise farmers who produce seeds for KWS France and to have a strong partnership with a common goal: harvest a maximum of very good quality seeds. I work every day to maintain and even improve our seeds towards a very high level of performance. Part of my job is also to make the link between our team here in the fields and to report to our manager in Einbeck.
Avec la Puma, KWS a développé une technologie qui correspond parfaitement aux objectifs stratégiques du groupe. La Puma permet l'arrachage de 2 parcelles en même temps, le pesage brut et net, la mesure du taux de sucre, le tout simultanément. Et tout ceci est géré informatiquement, envoyé au sélectionneur le jour même.
Regarding organic activities, our main strategic objective is to develop our organic seed sales to 30% market share.
Our main strategic objective is to further increase the quality level of seed lots and at the same time to stabilize the production level through more regular field yields.
Ce fut un projet très intéressant pour moi. Il m'a permis de travailler avec des gens perfectionnés dans leur domaine, autant au niveau mécanique, informatique et automatisme. Cependant, j'ai fait face à plusieurs défis. Il a fallu coordonner des travaux sur la machine entre des intervenants de différents pays, avec le début du montage qui s'est fait en Allemagne, puis la fin du montage en France. Aussi, le suivi du montage qui a dû se réaliser dans un ordre bien précis, suivant des plans électriques, mécaniques et hydrauliques.
The French organic farming is booming for the last 5 years. It's a very interesting market for us, and KWS has a lot of genetic solutions, but we have to adapt our portfolio to organic requirement. Because of that, we should reconsider our breeding program. For many decades, we have selected varieties for conventional agriculture without thinking weeding, fertilization and insect problems. In organic farming, we have to find variety with good productivity, but also define a lot of new criteria.
The agricultural world has evolved very quickly in recent years. Loss of agricultural product efficiency, stricter regulation, climate changes, the increasing pressure of the parasites. Find alternatives and constantly adapt are the most difficult challenges in order to succeed. With the Conviso Smart technology, it's like restarting a selection. We have to learn very quickly about the behavior of new varieties to stabilize production as soon as possible. At the same time, the Conviso production portfolio went from 22 varieties in 2019 to 59 in 2020. For that, we need isolation, and we can count on the skill, the adaptability, and the high level of technicality of our farmers. Today, the most important challenge for me is that we have to obtain a Conviso 1 resistant level higher than 99.5%.
Une étape importante a été la mise en service de la machine. Nous avons rencontré plusieurs problèmes étant donné les modifications apportées par rapport à une Grimm Maxtron d'origine. Fort heureusement, tous les acteurs de la construction étaient là pour solutionner les problèmes jusqu'au moindre détail. Aujourd'hui, la Puma fonctionne. Elle a effectué sa première récolte l'an dernier. C'était vraiment impressionnant de voir un tel concentré de technologie dans des conditions extrêmes telles que la chaleur, le froid, la poussière ou l'humidité.
One of the most important milestones was the decision to create an organic farm network. Only 5 organic farms for the moment, across the main organic area in France. It was a very interesting experience, meet my colleagues from other KVS and TTT, find and meet some organic farmers, understand their problem. The objective was to test the best genetic solution for each pedoclimatic variability.
One of the milestones for me was to produce Conviso Smart varieties in my own production area. It was very interesting for me to set up this new production with the whole budget team with a new organization. The objective was to secure all the production chain from the nursery sowing to the end of the factory process.
Cela me rend fier d'avoir participé activement à la naissance de la première machine de récolte de betteraves française en double parcelle. Grâce à mes connaissances et mon expérience acquise, je suis prêt et impatient de relever de nouveaux défis pour KWS.
One of my motivating moments was when I presented the French organic market to my cereals colleagues. They have asked a lot of questions, was so interested, and then there was a good moment for me because I felt that there is really a big interest in what I'm doing.
Last year, we organized the production meeting in France. On this event, I put in place a Conviso selection trial that we have presented to our international colleagues. I personally improved my self-confidence thanks to this very enriching experience.
Cette nouvelle machine high-tech est une réelle avancée pour la conduite de nos essais. Elle permet une récolte de résultats en un temps record avec très peu de personnel. Les données sont envoyées de la machine par un simple clic. Cette technologie nous donnera la possibilité de poursuivre la croissance de la récolte et de pouvoir répondre aux attentes des sélectionneurs en termes de rapidité et de qualité.
KWS could become the top 3 company involved with 3 organic activity in France. We are able to offer a very large range of variety in all of France. My goal on strategic is to become an expert about organic farming in France and to become the referent to my colleagues from all business units. I really feel proud to be in part of the development of this new market for KWS.
KWS was the first company to have Conviso Smart technology. We are always one step ahead. The strategic planning is for me a guideline for one purpose: improve and share my knowledge about Conviso varieties. I'm proud to work for a company that innovates constantly, that is able to anticipate and that is committed to the future.